Hey there! Welcome to our channel where we discuss all things related to hair and scalp health. Today we're going to talk about a common scalp problem that affects millions of people worldwide: dandruff. Dandruff can be a real nuisance, causing embarrassing flakes and an itchy scalp. But have you ever wondered what causes dandruff? And is there a cure for it? What causes dandruff? Well, the real cause of dandruff is still not fully understood, but it's believed to be related to the overgrowth of yeast on the scalp. This overgrowth can lead to the accelerated shedding of skin cells, resulting in the visible flakes that we see as dandruff. Now, when it comes to the cure for dandruff, there are a lot of products on the market that claim to do the trick, but not all of them are effective. In fact, many over-the-counter anti-dandruff shampoos contain harsh chemicals that can strip the scalp of its natural oils, making the problem worse. So, what can you do to cure dandruff naturally? First and foremost, it's important to keep your scalp clean and healthy. Regularly washing your hair with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo can help to remove excess oil, dirt, and dead skin cells from your scalp. Another effective way to cure dandruff is through regular scalp massages. Massaging your scalp helps to increase blood flow to the area, which can promote hair growth and reduce inflammation and irritation. You can use your fingertips or a scalp massager to gently massage your scalp for a few minutes each day. Your diet can also play a role in the health of your scalp. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as zinc and omega-3 fatty acids, can help to promote healthy skin and reduce inflammation. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish are all great options. Finally, there are some natural remedies that can help to cure dandruff. One of the most effective is tea tree oil, which has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that can help to fight off the yeast that causes dandruff. You can add a few drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo or mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into your scalp. You can also make your own hair mask using ingredients like coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, and honey, which can help to nourish and soothe the scalp. So, there you have it, the real cause and cure for dandruff. By keeping your scalp clean, eating a healthy diet, massaging your scalp regularly, and using natural remedies like tea tree oil, you can say goodbye to dandruff and hello to healthy, beautiful hair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair and scalp health tips.